What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the Mineville Mega SMP. Earlier today, we just got the lava fruit done. So I think we need to get the sugar cane. Yeah, we need to get sugar cane. You know, like down here. I don't actually got it, so we need to RTP to get it. So let's do that. RTP. And yeah, let's hope we find like everything we need basically. I know I can buy. I know I got an automatic too, so I can basically use. But yeah, so guys, if you guys like my videos and stuff, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers so I can, start streaming on my on YouTube basically. But yeah, it would help me a lot. But yeah, sense. Oh gosh, I had some. Not anymore, friends. That's definitely enough. Yeah, okay, that's enough. That's way enough. Okay, so let's just stash. I typed it wrong. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna do a settings video too. And yeah, I hope you guys are gonna like it. Uh, let's just do this. I'm gonna PvP and spawn tomorrow. Yeah, I need to have god apples, I guess, but I don't know if they're that important. But yeah, I don't think I need that many pearls, so I think I can just do that. I know I need those though, so. Let's see where. That's where. Down. That's the middle of it. But bro, I got a volt atom, volt atom, volt atom, volt atom. Wait, let me check age. What's going on age now? I don't think everybody got it, but yeah. Uh. Okay, so I just need some more obby and stuff. Just get that. So I got all of my god apples too, so if I really need them, I'll just do that so I can eat them. It's weird having god apple on. I think I need energies though, cause like, yeah. Or then I just take god apple. I don't necessarily need them, so I think it's okay. But yeah, nice to know that we got them though. That was like the most nice part. Okay, PV2. That's basically vault number 2. Search sugar. I need sugarcane. Sugar. Oh, I typed it wrong. Okay. Sugar. Okay. Okay, let me do that. Okay, yeah, I just got somebody to tap my shorts, so I just sent them 20k. Okay, okay. Okay. Now I got the sugarcane growing. Let's just do all of that for fun. Okay, guys. Okay, now I got it. Oh, farm. Okay, let's check this out. Let's go back there. That's what I typed, right? H-U. Oh, guys. London day, nobody knows. Now I can be close here. Guys, let's see if we have one. I typed wrong there, but yeah, bro, we just need one glass. And we got it. Yeah, wait, let's sell all of these. How many bone blocks are these? Or like, how many bone blocks is this? Well, this is maybe a lot actually, because yeah, wait, you have to use bone meal? What? I don't remember that, but okay. Oh, 35. Okay. That's really good, actually. Okay, let's put... Now we got all of those in, like bone blocks. That was actually pretty much, like, a lot to what, you know, we need. So I feel like that was actually pretty good. But yeah, okay, so... Wait, I'm actually gonna send him 40. Why not? Okay, so now I got an automatic sugarcane farm. And I feel like that's pretty good. There's my another totem. I think that was a pretty good episode. Or like video, if you guys get what I mean. I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna be PvPing probably with a spawn tomorrow and making a video on it. So I hope you guys are gonna like it. Yeah, I'm like, it's really a life for me right now. But yeah. I'm gonna pick somebody. If you guys like are subscribed, have are like my video, watching my videos, and are in my comments, I'm gonna make you guys a base. Yeah. But yeah. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe. And yeah, it will help your brother out. Goodbye.